咁啱路過呢，見到呢度有個叫做英皇中心商場啊，係一個非常舊式嘅商場嚟嘅。So I've just walked past and I see this very old styled shopping arcade. So I just come in and take a look. This is a salon. Massage. Beauty center. This one cannot operate due to the government's order. They have two, I think a second-hand bookshop here. And these are massage and beauty center. 咁都係美容屋啊、按摩店啊咁樣啦。呢度就書店兩間，二手書店。Actually, this side of the entrance is also quite interesting. 我覺得其實呢一邊嘅入口都幾有趣嘅。呢邊呢就比較多人呢喺出邊看住嘅，可能我要唔講嘢啦。So that's all. And this is the entrance I've used at the very beginning. 基本上呢就係得咁多嘅啫。呢一種舊式嘅商場呢，我係超級耐冇見過。This kind of old style shopping arcade, I have not seen this this kind of shopping arcade have a very long time. And outside of this shopping arcade, they have got quite a lot of other shops as well, including restaurants. some mobile plans shops, telecom, some restaurants, bakery, banks, 咁啊銀行啊，電信商啊，呢間就唱錢嘅。咁另外呢邊就賣電話、維修電話。This one is for repairing mobile phones. This one is for repairing mobile phones as well. OK， 咁啊，呢個分享呢就嚟到呢度啦。咁我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。So thanks for watching and please stick with me on another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.